Namaste, children. How have you been? I know you people are doing great in your houses. You people have already finished PA3 and we have already discussed about PA3 in our interaction class. In the last class, we were discussing about the lesson chapter 12 Animal World, wherein we came to know about different types of animals according to where they live. Do you remember which are those? Yes, they are land animals, water animals, animals which lives both in land and water, wild animals, pet animals, birds, insects. Let me brief you about these. Land animals are those which lives on land. For example, cow, buffalo, tiger, etc. Water animals are those which lives in water. For example, fish, octopus, shark, etc. Animals which live both in land and water are tortoise, crocodile, etc. They are also called as amphibians. Let's move on to wild animals. Wild animals are those which lives in jungles. For example, elephants, giraffe, fox, wolf, all these are wild animals. Then comes pet animals. What are pet animals? Animals which we keep in our houses are called pet animals. We care them, we love them, we give them clean water, clean food, a good shelter which is kept clean. We give vaccination for them. So, which are those animals which are called as pet animals? Yes, dog, cat, rabbit, fish, etc. These are few names for pet animals. Children, we should not tease animals, whichever the animal it may be. It may be the wild animals which are in zoo or the pet animals. We should not tease them, but we should care them. We should love them. Understood? So next we came across bird. Birds are the animals that can fly. They use their wings to fly in the air. For example, crow, pigeon, parrot. There are so many other birds which fly in the air. There are few birds which cannot fly. They are called flightless bird. Example, penguin, kiwi, etc. Then let's move on to insects. Insects are very tiny animals, very small animals. For example, lizards, mosquito, ants, housefly, etc. See, all insects have 6 legs, but one insect, which is spider, has 8 legs. Some insects can fly, some insects can jump. Understood? So here is all about chapter 12, Animal World. In the last class, I had given a homework. That is, you have to complete the textbook activities from page number 48 and 49. And here is the answers for that.
Answers for the textbook exercise, page number 48, are like this. Section A, first main. The octopus is a water animal. Animals that live in or around our homes are called pet. Match the correctly. Cow is a land animal. Frog lives land and water. Fish is a water animal. Next, page number 49. First main. Most insects have 6 legs. Birds have wings to fly in the air. Next, B main. Answer the following. Name 2 pet animals. It is dog and cat. Second question, name an animal that lives both on land and in water. It is tortoise and frog. Next main is to look at the picture and name them. First picture is butterfly, second is duck, third is horse, fourth is housefly. In the value corner, you have to tick the pictures that show caring for pets.
The classwork part for this lesson is like this.
To start with the classwork, first line should be of lesson number, second line lesson name, third line keywords, and here are the keywords: rabbit, tortoise, whale, provide, tease, wings, shelter, insects, crocodile, and domestic animal. Yeah, don't forget to write today's date. In the next page, in the first line, put main number, then write answer the following. There are 3 questions and answers to it. PDF of the classwork will be sent to you. Make sure you write the spellings correctly and neatly.
I will be sending you the PDF of both textbook and the classwork. Children, let us move on to the next topic, that is chapter 13, which is food and homes of animals. For this chapter, there will be no particular notes or explanation. As we have already discussed regarding this chapter in interaction class, and we have already done the activity, and also discussed about the homes of the animals where they live. There are different types of homes built by man for their pets or built by themselves in the forest. Children who didn't attend the interaction class, the video of the activity is like this. You can check with the video and do it by yourself in your houses.
Take a A4 sheet paper of any light color or white color. Cut the A4 sheet into 4 pieces and it should be equal in size. Draw border on each pieces. Let us draw animal pictures which belongs to each type. Example, cow, which is a plant eater, sparrow, which is a grain eater, spider as insect eater, lion a flesh eater. After drawing, let us make our pictures more colorful by coloring them. Isn't it beautiful? With the help of black sketch pen, let us draw the border. See, this is how our drawing looks now. Let's also write the specification of that animal. Like sparrow is a grain eater and lives in nest. Now let us paste a piece of paper or a thick thread to connect our drawings to each other. Now let's make a hole to our first drawing, tie a thread and hang it to the wall or to your study table. This is how our wall decor looks like.
I'll be sending even the image of that activity. So this is all about the chapter Animal World. I hope you have understood the lesson and gone through the activity as well as classwork and the homework part. Next week will be the worksheet. For that you have to read both the textbook, classwork, even you have to read the homework book also. Understood? So let us meet in the next class. Until then, धन्यवाद.